Welcome back to Custom Crafted Cartridges. Today we're priming some 30-30 rounds with a hand primer. My RCBS Rebel press doesn't have a primer on the press, but I don't think I'm missing out on much. I'm not one to really want to do it on the press anyway. I don't think I like the way it feels doing it by hand. See if I can make a mess here. I'm only trying to get 10 out. Doing it by hand, you can sort of feel what you're doing, I think, a lot better than doing it on the press. There. 10 out without making a mess. Shake them around here, get them all going the right way. That is not set up for large primers. I must have been doing small handgun primers last. Thought I was ready to go. Joke's on me. Universal primer here. Hand primer. So we'll just get our other plastic piece out here that's for large primers. Insert that in. Put this piece back through. Line that up. It's relatively simple. And just like that, ready to do large rifle primers. Okay, so I've got some deprimed, resized, and clean brass. You just kind of feel what you're doing a lot better, I think, with the hand primer. That's my 2 cents anyway. I'm sure different people will say different things. I just like the way I can feel how the primers are seating in accordance to the amount of pressure I'm putting on it. It's just relatively simple setup. It goes pretty smooth. I'm only doing 10 today because I'm just going to load like 3 or 4. Nah, maybe 5 of 2 different loads. I don't know. We'll see. 10 is what I have, so. And I just like to go along and just feel with your finger. They're just recessed a teeny little bit. Make sure they're not sticking out. I always like to double check everything. And there you have it. That's how I reprime my brass.